Hi everyone, it's the Sandman, just checking in with another video. Now I typically don't do product review videos, but some of my subscribers have asked what the best equipment is for a security officer to carry on patrol. Now, I definitely recommend a solid flashlight. Today I'll review the Cryket Nebo, which is the flashlight that's currently on my left shoulder. This flashlight is handy because you can clip it right to your epaulet on your coat or your uniform shirt, whatever it might be. Now, the flashlight is useful because it has three different modes. The first mode is just a standard flashlight, which is about 250 lumens. The second mode is a floodlight, which just covers a wider area. And the third mode is a red light, which is good for not losing your night vision when you're doing paperwork. Now, the different modes can cycle through quickly, so if you just press the button consecutively within 1 second or so of each click, it'll just cycle through the modes. However, if you leave any given mode on for a while, for probably at least 10 seconds or so, it will stay in that mode and then you don't have to cycle through to turn it off. Now I'll just show you an example. So say I turn on the flashlight mode and I leave that on for several seconds. If I'm using just that mode, I'm not going to want to cycle through the other two modes just to turn it off. So it's handy that you can just press the button to turn it off. Now to cycle through, like I said, you just have to do that consecutively and fairly rapidly. So to cycle, I just go flashlight, floodlight, red light. So that's how you can cycle through rapidly to get to the mode that you want. And then to turn it off, you just press that same button again. Now, the other neat feature of this flashlight is that you can take it right off of your shoulder because it just has a handy pen-like clip on it. And it looks like a typical flashlight. However, it has a swivel head. So you can swivel the head of the flashlight and turn it into more of a floodlight or a beacon. So that is definitely a different feature that I haven't really seen on the other flashlights I've used in the past. Now, the other neat feature is the magnetic base. So you can actually attach this flashlight to a vehicle or a metal cabinet, whatever it might be, so that way it's more sturdy. Now, would I recommend this flashlight as a primary flashlight for patrol? I would not. I definitely would recommend this flashlight as a secondary flashlight, but I would recommend a brighter flashlight as a primary one. The one I use in particular is the Streamlight Strion, which is about 375 lumens. So the Streamlight Strion is definitely versatile and really durable for patrol. So I would definitely recommend the Streamlight Strion as a primary flashlight. Now let's just do a comparison test just to see these two flashlights in action. So I'm going to dim my headlights so that way we can just focus on the flashlights, and we'll focus on that fence line along the tree line straight ahead. So this is the Cryket Nebo. We'll test that one first. So you can see it has decent coverage. You can see the fence line, you can see the tree line. It's acceptable. It's doing a decent job of illuminating that area. And let's test the Streamlight Strion now. So you can see the Streamlight Strion is a lot brighter. And let's have them side by side just to compare. So you can see the Cryket Nebo is on the left and the Streamlight Strion is on the right. The Cryket Nebo, I would say, is not as bright as the Streamlight Strion, and that's definitely true in the number of lumens, 250 lumens versus 375. But they are comparable. The Cryket Nebo is doing a decent job of illuminating that tree line and that fence line over there. So I would say, like I said, to use the Cryket Nebo as a secondary flashlight. I wouldn't recommend it as a primary flashlight for patrol. Now, the other issue obviously is cost. The cost of the Cryket Nebo is much more affordable than the cost of the Streamlight Strion. The Streamlight Strion is over $100 typically because it's rechargeable. It basically comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a charger, so that way it tends to last a lot longer. The Streamlight Strion is definitely designed specifically for patrol work, whereas the Cryket Nebo could be used for many different functions. The Cryket Nebo also does not have a rechargeable battery. That's a critique that I think would be useful if the designers wanted to potentially improve it. I think they could definitely consider adding a rechargeable battery to it. Currently it takes 4 AAA batteries, which definitely could run out quickly. So that's my review on the Cryket Nebo flashlight. I hope you found it helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let me know if you have any flashlights that you like to use for patrol and why you like to use them. I'd really love to hear from you. And thank you everyone for watching. Stay safe.